Yes, this is the tutorial. We're going to do this today. Let's create a cartoon with simple free tools. Step by step, just for you. Let's start. First, we have to do the cartoons. This tool is fantastic, really. So you can choose the type of cartoon, you can choose the type of grids, you can choose a caption. I prefer to create my own, and you have to write a prompt and then just click go. That's it. This is what it's rendered. Pretty massive, right? I love it. I've done another tutorial on this amazing tool, check it out. Now it has another brilliant feature, which is we can increase the pages of our cartoon. Wow! Repeat the process 6 times, you can have 6 pages. This is the maximum. And that's what I did, of course. You can also edit the prompts and change a particular scene. Now let's get the PDF. Now let's create the captions and the narrator's lines. Let's use Copilot because it has ChatGPT 4 for free. We're going to upload our first panel. I took a picture. Upload the picture. Don't forget to describe all the story in the prompt, because ChatGPT needs to understand that it's getting a picture and another one and another one. In the free plan you can only do 3 per day. So I did the first 3. I waited until midnight and I did the other 3 and I got the 6 pages I wanted. Then the third tool. What does it do? This is going to edit and create the flipbook. It's the last tool. So how can we do this? Done. Choose upload and upload your PDF. Now close that project, go back to the first page of Canva and choose your PDF. It's here. Let's write all the captions and all the narrator's lines. In Elements, choose the speech bubbles and just click text to write the text. That's it. Place it where you want it, size it if you need to, and that's it. It's ready. Now let's share it. Click on share, then scroll down to more, then design, choose Design Flipbooks, and that's it. Your cartoon book will come alive and you will love it, I'm sure. So, can we download it? No, this is the free plan, but we have the link. Or you can record the screen, whatever you like. The link, you may share it with anyone you like, through email, wherever you feel like it. So, isn't this absolutely amazing? I told you it was. So if you like the video, go and check out my channel because it has so many other tutorials on how to do cartoons, on how to do newsletters, on how to do these flipbooks and other amazing stuff, especially for you. So if you like the video, do like, subscribe, hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your projects. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye for now.